Hey, what's up, guys? This is Bad Cookie 115 and Bad Cookie 113, and today we will be showing you a video of die-cast cars. First off, this is sponsored by Diet Coke and Gatorade. Get your game on. Alright, first off, we're going to start back here with our cop car row. This is the Chevy Suburban, and or not Suburban, it's Tahoe. It works pretty good. So it winds up. Next, we got a Suburban Highway Patrol. Pretty nice. Got a Suburban, which is regularly a Highway Patrol, minus the headlights and Sharpie the Highway Patrol out of it. Next is a Crown Victoria FBI car, which I have customized. And see, it's P311 as its name, or its number. Next, we have two Highway Patrol, unmarked, or without the lights. Pretty nice. That's a beauty. And it even comes with a little fencing in it. City style Crown Victoria police car. Working. Goes like that. Next, we have an unmarked Crown Victoria. It's a white one. Still, top car I use it as. Then two different color state police, state troopers.
I don't know, just pick that out when we get there, yeah.
See right there. Next we have
a...
That was not good, and we will not show them, I guess. It's a little sand buggy, and you use at the beach. It's pretty nice. And you could do a buggy. Still got a suspension. And then we got some, we got a Toyota, what is it called? Toyota FJ Cruiser, one of those, and we got a bigger version, yellow, blue, that is. I guess I'm turning on the TV. Ford White Fit 150, it's like a 1997 Ford. We got like a 2000 Chevy Silverado. It's pretty nice. Alright, so we can get faster because I know Tyler's arms are getting tired. This is a older Suburban. It's a, doesn't say on it. Okay. Audi R8. It's nice gray. Then you've got an Audi A6 cop car. Audi TT silver. You got a Porsche GT RS customized with a wing on it. Another black Porsche. Let's see, we got two Range Rover Sports, different colors, same stuff, but except one has the windows knocked out of it. And it looks like we got a Hummer body. We got a Hummer with a little bed. We've got two of those. We got one Hummer H2. These three are H2s. This is a H3. Which one is this? This is a Corvette. It's like a, I'm gonna say it's a 63 Corvette Stingray used under license. Corvette ZR1 2010. This one, as you can hear, sounds like one. It's a pretty bad one. Bad boy.
Doesn't mean bad as in broken. It means like, oh, so bad.
I know.
It's bad, man.
And not a Murcielago, Gallardo works. Open door. It's too bad it doesn't go up. But this one is the Murcielago. This one's
Okay.
This one's just one of my favorites. Doors up and everything.
Should you go get the Lamborghini now?
Yes, I should. And if you will excuse me, I will be right back. Tyler, you can follow me if you'd like.
I don't care. Let's look at the Ocean City thing. See what it looks like.
I'm in here, my room, my messy room. And here, we can got a Lamborghini Veneno. Let's come back over here. Now, this Lamborghini Veneno,
Only made 3 of them.
not a Veneno. I wish it was. Aventador. It's a pretty nice one. It's newer,
Show the back of it.
but yeah, it's got a pretty sweet design on the back of it. And on the front, bad looking, horrible. It's not horrible. I mean, it's just sweet. All right. So we finished that row, that BMW X6. This one, GT 2006 series Mustang. And then we got utility trucks all up here. Airport shuttle and a police tow truck. Nice. Thunderbird. This is I believe it's a 1955 Thunderbird.
My friend's mom actually has, I think, a newer one of those. One of them.
They look exactly like the old ones, though. It's like
Yeah,
faster. The 54 Mercedes-Benz. Nice. Only one of their cars that can do this with the doors. I wish I had this car. They go for a couple million, probably. We've got a Warfighter USAF. You can see
Now moving to the
missiles.
planes.
And as you can see, this one goes right down the crap hole. This one is my United States Navy Blue Angel 328. It's a nice one. Got it for Christmas. Last but not least, the Beast is unleashed. 4-door President's Limousine opens. Pretty nice. It's got almost every design on it. Took out these lights, thought it looked cooler. But that's it. Thank you guys. This has been our video. Bad Cookie 115, Bad Cookie 113. Tyler. And this has been our video. Hey.